Hi guys, this is Mrs. Tagney, one of the counselors here at Lakeland Village, and today I'm going to be going over our next lesson, which is the interest profiler. So to start off, hopefully this website looks familiar. We use it throughout the year, and hopefully you've been to the website a couple of times, but if not, you need to go to californiacolleges.edu, and when you log in, I have already logged in, so it'll look like this. It'll say my account. But if you haven't logged in, you're going to hit that so you can sign in. And if you don't remember what your login information is, it's going to be your school email, which is your student ID number at leusd.k12.ca.us. So you're going to put that in at the top, and then your password is going to be your birth date with an exclamation point at the end. So say your birth date was January 1st, 2020. You'll do 01012020 exclamation point. If you have any problems logging in, please feel free to reach out to the counseling office. Sometimes here or there we need to reset your password, but hopefully everyone has updated their password and we don't have any problems. So once you have logged in, you'll see all these options right here. So we're going to go over today to the career, and you don't actually have to click on this. If you just hover it, all your options will pop down. So when you hover over career, you're going to see that there's interest profiler, and we're going to click on that today. So again, go under career, hover over that, and click on interest profiler. So from here, it's going to take you here. It looks very similar to the last one we did if you did our last lesson. And you're just going to start. You're going to scroll down and you're going to start. So bear with me. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly just so I get some answers so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So here we go. So make sure, let me show you kind of the layout at first. It's going to show you how close you are to getting done, but make sure you read these things. So it talks about how would you like to build kitchen cabinets. All you're doing is just putting your opinion. I don't want to know your friend's opinion. I want to know yours. So does that sound interesting or not? Or maybe you're unsure. So you're just going to put, I'm going to put strongly dislike. And you're just going to go through and see, does that interest you or not? And you're going to answer those questions. So take your time. This isn't something you want to do as fast as possible. You want to go through and make sure you answer these questions honestly. If you don't answer these honestly, you're going to get really weird answers that you'll think this has nothing to do with what I like. So make sure you're going through and you're answering what you like and answering what you don't like. So then it gets a better idea of what a good career is for you. Maybe you already know what you want to be, but this would just give you some other options, and it will give you some more detailed information about those careers. So just bear with me as I go through. So as you can see, I'm 42% done. Again, if you have any problems with this, we did notice that some people were having problems if they were using Safari. So if you're using Safari, just be careful. You might have some issues with that. And if you are using Safari, make sure you clear off your cookies and you clear off all your history. That seemed to help last time. Sometimes you might have to clear it out and then restart your computer. So try that if it's not working before you go to your teacher, and then hopefully that will fix things. All right, we're getting closer. Okay, so I'm 75% done. Again, you're putting what you think. And you don't have to put strongly dislike or strongly, you can put in between. I'm just not doing that because I'm trying to do it quickly. So just so you understand. Be honest. Okay, so I've gone to the last page, and so instead of next, you'll see complete. So I'm going to hit complete, and now it's going to kind of give me a rundown of the different areas that I show interest in, which mostly it's going to be social. And so you're going to read through these. Some of you might have multiple, so you might have 3 areas of interest. That's okay. So read through. So you're going to look at this and read through the description. Okay, and then I want you to reflect on your results. And it can be anything. It can say, this totally sounds like me, or oh my gosh, this doesn't sound like me at all, or yes, this is what I was thinking of wanting to do. Whatever you want to write. It doesn't have to be a huge novel. So go ahead and write something. Okay, so I'm just going to put that so we can go. You're going to hit save. So now your reflection has been saved. And then we're going to go to careers because that's what we want to see. So now we're going to scroll up to the top and you can see that I have multiple pages. Sometimes you guys may only get like 1 page and that's okay. It just depends on what interests you and what doesn't. So go through, you're going to go through these pages and you're just going to just say, yeah, that's something I like, or no, that's not something I like. Say there's something on here and I think, what the heck is that? So how about this? Say I look at that and go, I don't even know what that is. Well, the awesome thing is you can click right here and now it tells you all about it. So it talks about the responsibilities, the work activities, the education level, the salary potential, all of this. So now after looking at that, if that sounds interesting to you, now you know. So you're going to go through and you're going to heart or favorite, see all these, 4 to 5. So if you click it, say you clicked it and then you said, oh no, I don't want that anymore, just click it again and it will undo the heart. So you're going to go through and say, yeah, maybe some of these interest me, maybe they don't. So maybe the first page doesn't interest me. Again, you have multiple pages, so don't feel like you need to find all your favorite careers on 1 page. Okay, so I'm going to go through, I'm going to heart it. Again, if I need more information, then I can click on them and get more information. So I'm going to go through. So this just gives you the base information, but we want to, most of you will have lots of pages. So we really want to pull out just a few and be able to look at those. So that's why we're going to go through and favorite them. And again, some of these you might think, oh my gosh, this is not something I would like at all. That's okay. But make sure you look through everything because I promise you some things might surprise you. And you might think, gosh, maybe I would like that. If you favorite something, it doesn't mean that you have to do that. So you can always change your mind later. So we're going to go through. All right, so I think I've selected enough. Okay, so again, you're going to go through all of that and you're going to heart what you like. You can also compare careers. So if you wanted to compare, you can select 2 of those and then hit compare. Make sure when you're done with that, you just hit the back button so you're not having to lose your page. Okay, so you can compare if maybe 2 of them sound similar and you want to understand the difference, then you can do that. So once you're done with that, you're going to go up to my plan. Okay, and you're going to go to my career plan. And look, all of my ones that I favorite are in here. So if you wanted to print it, you could print it. but it has it all here, and you can still click on them and get more information. This just puts it in a small area so it's easy to get to. Okay, so just know that it's under my plan and then my career plan. Okay, so go through, look at everything, see what interests you. Then when you're done with that, go into my journal. We want to go to the career, my career plan. Oh, sorry guys, my career. Oh, here it is. So our career journal, and go to question 1. Why is it important to choose a career that aligns with your interest? That just means, why do you think it's important that you want to have a job that includes your interests? Do you want to have something that you're not interested in? So hit the add response, type in test. So the question's right there. Why is it important to choose your career that aligns? And then hit add. So again, one more time. So we had gone into my plan and we had looked at my career plan, but from here you can actually just pop on over to my journal, and then click on career journal, which again, number 10 always starts at the top, which is weird. So scroll down to 1, and then I've already entered in something. You can edit it if you need to, otherwise type it in and hit save. Once you're done with that, you are almost done, I promise. You're gonna go over to your tasks. Do you remember that? You're gonna, this circle with the lines and dots, you're gonna hit my tasks. Okay, my current task is where you're gonna go, not under activities, but my current task, and you'll find interest profile right here. You click when you're done. Make sure you completed everything that we talked about first before you click this, and then hit yes. Once you're done with that, you guys are done. That's it. It really isn't too tough. So you're gonna hit here and sign out, and you are done. So we thank you so much for taking the time to do this. I know it seems maybe silly right now, but it's going to give you some good information. So again, if you have any issues, please feel free to reach out to us. And this could be issues getting onto the website, or password or username, or whatever you need. The counselors are always here. You can reach us through Canvas or through our email. I hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you.